In a sunlit coastal town, Mina designs paper airplanes that glide with uncanny precision, rivaling entry-level drones in wind tunnels. Her journey began when a gust toppled a cardboard model. She studied aerodynamics through library books and trials. She layered coatings, folded flaps, and learned to read air currents like a musician reads a score. Today her flyers assist search teams, monitor data, and bring joy to classrooms, turning a hobby into service. Mina believes every crease hides a lesson about focus, resilience, and the magic of small ideas changing the world.